Yeah. So this is my host name, right? So I'm just connecting from my cloud VM. Okay. Provide your instance name. I'm just giving the instance name is different here. Okay. So I'll give this instance name. Go to this SQL authentication, SQL admin, and provide password. Okay. Press enter. See here. The one which I'm taking the instance connection instance is different. Okay. I'm just copying this. Center. The public endpoint connectivity is different. Okay. So where we can able to get that one? Go to this or else we'll go for here. Okay. So you have the connection string here. So this is my connection string just before I connect it. Okay. Go to this video. Here is here. See, I connected with this, host name within the cloud without extra configuration. Okay, without extra configuration. Now, let me try to do this one as well, whether we are able to connect or not. Okay, password at the rate 2023 at the rate 2024. Yep, I'm able to connect. I haven't whitelisted anything. Okay, so but still I can able to connect it within the cloud. Okay, it's not required. Okay, if it is host name connecting, we can do. But one experiment we'll do. Okay, so let's take this connection string. We already did, right? So initially I tried to connect from here, from on premises. When it is going to work, boss? If you configure this, whether side to side, point to side, if you're going to configure, it is going to work. Password at the rate 2023 at the rate 2024, which will throw the error because of that is a host name. Only you can connect public endpoint via public endpoint. Any questions here? Tomorrow we will explore it all the options, the portal instance level, then the database level. We'll create few of the backups, restores, and a lot of things we need to do. Complete this week is we are going to dedicate in the managed instance only. Lot of things we need to do. No questions? Yeah, it is thrown error. Okay, but in a cloud we are going to connect in the both the. So if not, I'm going to wind up today. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow at the same time. So come back with different questions. Question is you do practicing. Okay, so that is going to help. Any questions, boss? Anyone have any questions? All right. If you don't have any questions, we'll wind up. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.